Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be more birthday bash entries. So today I'm going to try to fit in 2 into this video, and then I'm going to film another video with 2 more. I think with 2 in each video, it kind of gives me a chance to go through the entries as good as I want to and dedicate the amount of time that I want on each entry. So the one that I'm going to be doing today is from Kathy. And she's Kathy Cohen. You guys know that I'm going to be putting everyone's entries, everyone who sends an entry, I always link them down below. So definitely go check her out. If they have an IG, if they have a YouTube, I link that down below. So yeah, let's get started. So here we go. Kathy also did a VR. I'm going to take everything out of the bag. She sent it all in this super cute little bag. So it's like opening up a gift for my birthday. I did take a sneaky peekies. So cute. So many cute stuff. Look at these tassel earrings that she sent me, you guys. How cute. She sent so many gifts, Kathy. Thank you so much. So let me see. Alright, there's a bunch of little flowers that she threw in the bag with her crinkle paper. I want to make sure I don't miss anything. Oh, how cute. She made me a little broom. Like the one I showed you guys. I have a tutorial on my channel. And let me see here. So yeah, that's like a bunch of, I'll leave that inside the bag. A bunch of flowers and stuff. See, she's got a bunch of crinkle paper. I'm trying to get all the little, let me see here, the little bags. Yep. Okay. I'll leave that in there. And let's check out, wow, this is a lot of Kathy's entry. So she sent me a wand, and I guess it's one of her embellishments. How cute is this? Look at that. I don't want to take it out. I don't want to ruin it. But look how pretty that is. There's like a little seahorse, a little button that says love. There's tulle, there's thread. She stitched on the rosette. Look at the bag topper. I don't know if this is a straw or a kind of like those little lollipop sticks. There's a little pom-pom on the bottom. Super adorable. I love it. And then she sent this one, and it's a vellum rosette on top. There's a doily in the back. So she's got some layers going there with the foam, some tulle. She added some little butterfly bits. And look at the cute little birthday cake. That is so cute. It's kind of like, I don't know if that's foam. Yeah, it's probably like foam. And look at her bag topper. Super cute. And then, let's see here. It says beautiful birthday, and this is her card. And let me see, it says happy birthday, and it says eat cake, and it's like this little foamy material. And then she did like the little accordion style, and it has a little cake up top, very dimensional. And then when you open it up, it says a little birdie told me it's your birthday. Is that not super cute? And then look at how she decorated the envelope. That is so cute, Kathy. I love it. And then she made me a little separate note on the little die that I have from In Love Art Shop. And yeah, she's, let me see. Oh, she does have her Instagram is Crafty Kate. So I'm going to have her Instagram linked down below so you guys can go and give her a follow. And then she sent me a bunch of little gifts. She sent me some ribbon. Look at this pink one and this purple one. She sent me some tassel earrings. Look how cute. I think they're like a navy blue. Those are adorable. Those are super popular right now. Everyone's wearing tassel earrings. And then look at all these little knickknacks she sent me. How cute. Look at that crown key. You guys see that? There's a little flower in there. Let me see. I can open. Look at this. How cute is that? This is so pretty, Kathy. There's a little tassel in here. Another one of these. I love these. I'm going to display these on my shelf because they're so pretty. And then there's like a bunch of little charms. And let's look at this little flower one. How cute is this? Is that not the prettiest? And then there's like these little chains that you can put. She put one on her tag flip. I know that she showed that. Look how cute. Like a tennis bracelet. And then there's a bunch of little charms. Look at these. It's like the big ones, but smaller. And then the medium size. Oh, I love those. And look at the little pocketbook. And then there's this one. I love these charms. Look at this key. That is so cute. Thank you so much for those, Kathy. I don't have anything like that at all. Not even the little flower. I love these. I'm going to put them back in here because I don't want to lose anything. And you guys, she sent me, like, she hooked me up. She sent me so much of those, like, little link chains in different colors. There's blue. There's, like, all different colors and sizes. Of course, I got interrupted by a phone call. Sorry for that, you guys. But look at that. They are so cute. And then there's this one. Look at that. So much to play with. Then there's this cute little broom, which I have a tutorial on my channel for you guys. Oh, there's another ribbon in mint green. Can you guys see that? So pretty. I love these little tiny ribbons. Look how cute that looks all together. All the little colors. Then she sent me this cute little flower, which is perfect for Christmas crafts. Look at that. Super puffy and chunky. She sent me washi samples, which I don't have. Look at this one. I don't have any of these washies. She sent me some unicorn stickers. I love these. These were my favorite. I bought a bunch last year. And then look at this. These are more like washi samples. And I don't have anything like that. How cool is that? And then more gifts, you guys, because that's not even her tag flip. Her tag flip is in here. She sent me some charms from, I think, Tuesday Morning or Hobby Lobby, but it says, oh snap, Bay. It says, Slay a Queen, lips. Got some little undies, and I don't know which one it has in the back. It's behind the label, but let's see what it is. A cute little heart. I love this one. That's so cute. Little undies. And then she sent me a pop socket, which my wife loves. So my wife is definitely going to rob me for this because not only does she love London, she loves dogs. So this is definitely for my wife. And then we have the tag flip, which she put in this cute little bag. And look, you guys, how pretty with the little chain and the charm. Look, she used these little shaker balls from AliExpress. And then these are her little tags. I did see her flip through. Look how cute. Look at the balloons, you guys. How pretty. These are so pretty, Kathy. So layered up. Cute little bow. And then look at the charm. See how pretty that is? This is what I want to make with what she sent me because this is such a good idea. I love this. This one is pink and white. So pretty. And then this one says happy birthday in that kind of like chunky thing that she did with the card and stuff. And then we have this one. She used like the little Chasing Dreams ephemera. And then we have like a little pink tag. This one says live, love, laugh. And then this one has a bow and like a little cake. And then this one says beautiful birthday. And look at that, you guys. Isn't that pretty? I love the colors. Oh my gosh, Kathy. This is so much. Thank you so much for entering my challenge. Thank you so much for all the extra goodies. And yeah, you guys, I think I'm going to leave this on this video and move on to the next video for the next entry. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.